Hello everyone. Today is Wednesday, December 29th, 2021. The following are the important articles that we have to read for competitive exams. So let us keep this very simple. The first article in the main page is two more vaccines and a drug join India's fight against COVID-19. Covovax are the two shots along with another medicine that has got emergency use authorizations. Two things to learn from here: what has been the vaccine status in our country. Second thing, what is the process adopted by the Drug Controller General of India DGCA in issuing emergency use authorization? Try to get an understanding of what emergency use authorization is and you will be set. Coming to page number 8, editorial: put out data, boost the dose of transparency. This article talks about the requirement of data, being transparent with data. Try to get an understanding of how data has been represented in times of COVID, not only in India but also around the world. The next article is trade defense. This is about anti-dumping duty being imposed on countries like China. Why it is important, how it is important, what are the processes that the government of India has adopted to protect its own manufacturing and market. Moving on to op-ed, vying for influence over Kabul. As I said yesterday, Kabul is going to be, that is Afghanistan, particularly Taliban ruled Afghanistan, is going to be an important player in the next decade. Try to understand what the role these Gulf countries can play, particularly the GCC, which is Gulf Cooperation Council, and how India is poised to lend its support in that regard. Very important. Try to get an understanding of that. Coming to page number 10, Rajnath unveils border roads, bridges. Again, this is in regards to border infrastructure. What has been the status still up until this point of now, and how things are changing. Very important to understand given the context between India and China. Indianizing the legal system and SC's view. Very, very important, very, very nuanced, very, very relevant for current to today. Try to understand this article, try to get an example out of the two statements given by two justices. One happens to be the Chief Justice of India, the other happens to be the Justice of Supreme Court. Try to get their understanding, try to get their points. Very important. Do not neglect this article. Coming to news, page number 11. Again, much isn't in this page. Coming to page number 12, news: GI tax out for Aptani textile product. What is the process for GI tax in India? What is Aptani textile product, where it is found, and from that perspective, get it. Prelims perspective, nothing more. COVID drug to hit pharmacy soon. As I said, Molnupiravir is the capsule. Why it is different? Who is manufacturing it? How it is going to change the fight against COVID-19. Exam perspective, I don't see much of an importance, but being aware of is always interesting. Coming to world, page number 13, Omicron can disrupt health systems. Again, informative article, just to make ourselves aware of it. Syrian port set ablaze in Israel strike. Again, map pointing view. Exam point of view, I don't see much of an importance. Just read it for awareness. Chinese space station has close shave with Elon Musk's satellites. So two things here. What is the name of the Chinese space station? The second aspect is, what are the satellites that Elon Musk is launching to provide internet around the world? Starlink is the satellite constellation is called. Why he is doing that? What is the intent of it? The second thing that you have to understand out of this article is the threat of space debris or increased traffic in space. That is how you approach this article. 3 points. What is the Chinese space station? What are the Elon Musk satellites? What are the threat to other satellites, far more important satellites, with the increase of space debris and space craft in orbit? Very important. Please do read it. Coming to page number 14, we have a full business issue today. RBI flags banks capital buffer needs. What are capital buffer needs? Why RBI is saying that we need more of it? How it will secure banks' finances and financial health. SEBI tweaks share sale norms for IPO. This article becomes relevant because we have been seeing high profile IPOs from startups and tech companies in India in recent times. In that backdrop, protecting the interests of investors is always a paramount importance for Stock Exchange Board of India. So these new norms will certainly help those protecting the investors. So what are the new norms? How are they different from the old ones? Coming to the third article, expect inflation indexed. annuities soon. So what are the factors that they are saying that we are going to see these things to continue or end at a given time period right now? So see, inflation is something that we have to be aware of, given the recent inflation rise in US economy and the subsequent impact on our economy, and that is how you have to approach this article. GDP to grow 9% in FY22 and financial year 22 and financial year 23 ICRA. So what are the factors that they are attributing to this growth, and what does this growth bode for Indian overall economy? Coming to text and context, the James Webb Space Telescope. The article is self-explanatory from science and technology perspective. Very important. Do not skip it. These are the important articles that we have to read for competitive examinations. Thank you. Please do subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends. This will always help the channel. Thank you. Stay safe. Namaste.